Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And you know it's the season of love, and in the spirit of love at Gele we are doing promo. When you buy 3 fascinator or 3 Gele, any of our Gele, you get one free. Buy one for your mom, buy one for yourself, buy one for your sister. Today I want to show you the Olori Gele. That's the Olori Auto Gele. And in the spirit of love, there's love in the season. We have different designs at Gele. This is another one. If you want the pleated one, this is a pleated. Can you see? Let me try this. It's so easy to wear. Ladies, no more stress when it comes to your Gele. Can you see it? Adjust it and you're good to go. Order yours today, and please kindly share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms at Gele Studio on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. We'll be giving away freebies to active followers. Leave a comment, give a thumb up for this video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye. We love you.